In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets, whether you're organizing data or preparing a spreadsheet for collaboration. Knowing how to efficiently add rows can make your experience with Google Sheets much smoother. So, let's get started with this simple and quick guide. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive and selecting the sheet you wish to edit. Once you're in, the sheet will be displayed, ready for any modifications you need to make. Next, locate and select the row where you'd like to add additional rows. You can do this by clicking on the row number to the left, which will highlight the entire row, making it stand out. This is crucial because we're going to be inserting rows relative to the one you've selected. With the row selected, direct your attention to the top menu and find the Insert option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Now, hover over the Rows option in the drop-down. You'll see a few choices appear, giving you the option to insert a row above or below the selected one. Click on your preferred choice, and voila, a new row is inserted. There's another equally effective method to achieve the same result. Instead of using the menu at the top, you can right-click on the row number you've selected on the left side of your sheet. This will bring up a context menu right beside the row, offering similar options. You can choose to insert a row above or below right from this menu as well. It's handy, especially if you prefer using the mouse over navigating menu bars. But what if you need to insert more than just one row at a time? Here's the trick. Click and drag over multiple row numbers on the left to highlight as many rows as you need to insert. Once they are highlighted, go through the same process. Click Insert from the top menu. Hover over Rows, and then you'll find the option to insert rows above or rows below, depending on your needs. This method is particularly useful for adding multiple rows, as it automates the process, adding the same number of rows you selected. In conclusion, adding rows in Google Sheets can be done using multiple methods depending on your preference or need for efficiency. Whether you're inserting a single row, several at a time, or even using different menus to do so, these tips should help keep your spreadsheet organized and flexible for whatever data entry or arrangement you have in mind. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!